is my haul for tonight's festivities. I just needed to get a couple of things. So I have some sourdough bread right here. I have some figs. I've been wanting some, and they had some fresh ones, so I got some of those. Some dark chocolate almonds, some jalapeno cheese. We like spicy cheese. Some fresh mozzarella, grapes. I got some citrus sparkling mineral water. This is an apple wine from a local vineyard that I thought was interesting and very fall appropriate. So I just got that because it looked cool. Some tomatoes. I may put these in our salad. And yeah, so just a few things to supplement what I already have. And I'll show you like when I put everything together. Hi, so I'm getting everything all set up for our dinner, wine tasting, happy hour, combination of all three. So I'm gonna start with slicing up our sourdough bread. I'm also going to make a salad, a salad. Yes, I have some spring mix. I need to wash the fruit, slice up this cheese, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, show you me prepping everything that we're gonna enjoy. Okay, so I'm starting to get everything together. I am gonna prepare salad first. I'm gonna cut up the spring mix, cut up an onion, and doctor it all up. I'll show you guys what I add to it. Okay, getting ready to toss the salad. I have the greens that I chopped. I put some onion, which you can see on top. What else did I put? Salt, pepper, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then onion powder. I really like onion powder in my salad. I don't know why, but just try it. It's a real pro tip. So I'm getting ready to toss it, and then maybe I'll throw some like cranberries or something in there. Yeah, that sounds good. So I may toss some cranberries or some nuts or something like that in there. Cranberries, slivered almonds, and then some bacon bits. So I'm gonna toss it all together. Putting that out along with these flowers. So I have some olive oil that I mix with balsamic vinegar. That's the brown stuff down at the bottom, along with some seasonings. I sliced up the sourdough bread, and then here is the main platter. So these are dark chocolate covered almonds, some crackers, soy crackers, tamari crackers from Trader Joe's. There's prosciutto, pepperoni, 2 different kinds of olives. I have figs, grapes. This is a jalapeno cheese, and then this is mozzarella. So you can like customize this with any kind of fruit and just different bits that you like, and just I like to make it pretty. So I have it on this tray. Now I'm gonna pour us all some sparkling water. This is a pineapple passion fruit sparkling water, I believe. So, and I'll use this until it runs out, and then I have another. So this is the wine that we're gonna start with tonight. This is a red blend that we got. I vlogged a wine tasting that we went to, and this is a bottle that we took home. It's really nice. I think this is local to where we are, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna start with this one. I'm gonna crack it open. I don't know why I see. Aha! So this is what our table's kind of looking like. I've moved the centerpiece over just so we had more access to things. You can put a tablecloth if you're trying to be real fancy, but you know, whatever. So that's our wine of the night, which I showed. More sparkling water. I have each of our glasses and water glasses and wine glasses, and then this is kind of how everything's looking. Now I'm gonna set the mood, so I like to dim the lights and then play like some jazz in the background. Then we just chat and eat and enjoy. Oh, and then I need to get the salad as well. So there is the salad all tossed. It doesn't really look like much on camera, but it's gonna be delicious. here's the aftermath. We killed it. See, this is the leftovers of the almonds. I don't think the figs were very ripe. These weren't really good.
That's what those were?
I didn't even taste the figs.
Yeah,
I didn't even
taste it.
They weren't very ripe. They weren't very good. Maybe I'll put some sugar on them or something. Killed the olives. Killed the turkey pepperoni. These crackers are new. These are from Trader Joe's. They're soy or tamari crackers, and we really like those. The jalapeno cheese, awesome. We really like the red blend. It was phenomenal.
Chocolate covered almonds.
Yes.
Dark chocolate.
They were awesome. They kind of look like the olives.
They do.
Anyway, so how did you guys enjoy it?
It was really, really good.
What did you think, babe?
Absolutely outstanding.
That was, I felt like I'm at the Oscars. Absolutely outstanding.
You put on a phenomenal.
I put my foot in it.
Like seriously, better than what I've ever paid for.
I'll accept some tips. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Tips of compliments.
You like
Words
you're
of affirmation.
What again?
Right, yeah.
You're like you married. That's free forever. Okay, so we cracked open the apple wine.
I've seen that several times.
It looks,
I've wanted to taste it.
yeah, it's so fall. We had to, so I'm gonna try
I
it.
agree with that. It's fall. We have to.
We're just gonna taste the drop. It's probably like apple juice, but whatever. We're gonna taste it because YOLO.
Yeah.
There we go.
Delightful.
You like it? So the wine really doesn't smell. Good pick. It doesn't smell that sweet. It smells kind of like a Riesling or like a. Or, this I told y'all earlier. This house is absolutely absurd. It's a madhouse.
It's a madhouse.
So it smells like a Riesling or like a Gewürztraminer or something. So let me smell it.
But it really does give you apple vibes.
It does. I smell it. It smells really good. Wow.
Give me my nightcap.
It's not that sweet. It's great. Wow.
That must go on the table for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, seriously, this is good. This is really, really good. So this one, I would say it's like a 9 out of 10.
Wow.
It has cinnamony, like there's definitely some spices in there.
I love it.
It's not too sweet. It's amazing. It's really good. It would make a good like spritzer, some sort of cocktail or sangria, something. It would.
It stands alone.
But even just by itself is really good. But I can imagine like mixing this with something. I have to get some of this for my husband's mom. This would be really good. Wow. Much better than what I thought it would be.
Agreed.
Good job.
Great pick.
So yes, we had a wonderful happy hour. It was so fun. You can do this yourself. Like I said, if you just put out other things you like. If you like Ritz crackers, eat Ritz crackers. I don't eat Ritz crackers on my charcuterie boards, but you can do whatever you want. There are no rules.
Wow, that's
My
shady.
mom's laughing. That sounded so shady.
Yeah, that was so shady. Like, wow.
That sounded so
I
shady.
don't know Ritz, but you.
Yeah. That was so nice.
Oh,
Nasty.
God.
That was so nice.
That's
nasty.
terrible.
She
Okay.
keeps going with the nice nasty.
I know.
God.
It's just elevating. Like it's becoming more and more common. Where she's like, oh, I don't even mean it. Like, you're
God.
already done
From
changed.
the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks.
My own family. My own family. Y'all don't see them because I'm protecting their identities, but my own family.
Please
You
shut
just
up.
go
Because
with
she'll
your-
mess around and won't do another happy hour for a while. So I'm just kidding.
What I meant to say was, in my diplomatic Obama speak, I prefer water crackers. That is my number one preference. I love water crackers. I love the texture. They're the best, in my opinion. These are some new options, but I really did like those. So, Trader Joe's for the W. Anyway, so yes, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. What's your favorites on your charcuterie boards or your favorite of the spread? Let me know. I'll see you on my next one tomorrow. And did I say like it?
Yes.
Okay, give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Anyway, subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.